What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You already know, bro, we're in the M5. You know, we gotta cycle through all the cars because now I have two, so I kind of have to drive a lot. But welcome back to another video, man. Another week, hustling, grinding, trying to learn as much as you can, dude. That's the goal. The goal is to keep learning, bro. That's it. You know, like I've told you guys, I spent years to get here. Like I've told you guys, I spent 4 years before I bought any car, you know? I could have bought a car way in the beginning, but I didn't want to go in debt just yet, you know? But luckily, I made the debt to something good, you know, as you can see with YouTube. And I met a bunch of people, a bunch of cool friends now. I cannot wait to get straight pipe. I know I keep talking about it, boys, but right now I've been really trying to focus on, like, I make enough money to afford these cars, but I still want to, like, invest in somewhere else, you know? Like, while I have this car, I still want to put my money in other places. But if any of you guys, like, are, you know, consistent traders, hit me up on the Insta. Right now I have a Discord that I'm, like, kind of, I wouldn't say building up, but it's a group of us, a group of my friends. They invited me on, so I'm probably just gonna, like, just try to bring a bunch of people that are successful and kind of get like a little group. Oh my gosh, dude, this street's everything, bro. Hold up, this street's everything. But yeah, hit me up on Insta, and also anyone does FBA. I'm actually getting into FBA just for, I'm not even getting into FBA to learn. I just want to freaking, or I'm not even getting into FBA to make money. I just want to learn. If I make money, that's even better. Oh my gosh, dude. When it claps, bro, like, dude, there's nothing else that beats it, honestly. I don't know what it is, guys. I don't know if it's like it being brown noise, like the deep tone, and that's what's making it therapeutic. But bro, like, driving this car, it's like, I feel like this, like, people go to therapists for help. The car, me driving this car is my therapy, bro. I paid the price for this car. It's for my therapy, dude. Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't know what it is, and not everybody's gonna feel the same way. There's something. Oh, there's a cop over there. There's something in me that makes me enjoy it. I don't know what it is. Even though there's like hella cops, I'm gonna send it through this freaking garage real quick. Nothing illegal. Just this car is just this exhaust is just illegal. That's it. My speeds are legal though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can't get over it, honestly. The whistle is everything. I think like compared to the M3, I love the M3, but the whistle, it doesn't whistle like this, bro. Yeah, the whistle's crazy on this. Something, dude. I don't know, dude. It's just whistle, dude. Like, bro, what? That's so crazy how, like, the M3s don't whistle like this. Like, I think they do, but not like to this extent. This is like, bro, it sounds like there's like upgraded turbos on this thing, bro. Like some fat turbos. We gotta take the back roads, bro. There's just way too many people out. I saw a video of this M5 that was shooting flames, and I was like, bro, if I don't make enough money to just destroy this car and then be able to rebuild it as many times as I want, I haven't made it, bro. I have not made it yet. I mean, I haven't made it for a while, but you guys know what I mean. Like, just like, that's the, I don't know what it is, man. Something, I mean, there must have been a reason why I was so into, dude, why is so many Corvettes for sale, dude? I'm kind of getting tempted to get a Corvette, bro. Corvettes sound crazy, dude. Oh my goodness. Dude, it claps, bro. It freaking claps. But I hope you guys enjoying the videos, man. Thank you guys for all support, dude. We've been growing, like I said, consistently. For some reason, bro, like this past month, bro, average views like 3 to 6K. It's crazy. Unreal. But thank you guys for all support, man. We've been growing so consistently. We're growing like every single week, like about 250 subscribers, which is like so weird because like since I barely uploaded, I'm so focused on work, the weeks just go by, bro. And it's just kind of like, it's kind of mind blowing that people are still subscribing. And I think obviously my goal is to keep it simple, but you know, just having these cars, I mean, they're not easy to get, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Like, I've been driving my neighborhood for so long, and I've only seen one M5 comp in the past 6 freaking months in my area. One, bro. That's insane. Oh my! I still can't believe that. Yo, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, it's just me or life's been kind of like a blur. Like, I still can't believe I own these cars. These streets are literally perfect. Like this neighborhood, this freaking area I live in is just so perfect for this, bro. Yeah, dude, I don't know why I still don't have a full exhaust, bro. Full exhaust is legit freaking everything. And I haven't done it because, dude, 5K for exhaust is just crazy, bro. Like, the test equipment I use for my machines are like 5 to 10 G's. You know, test equipment, bro, aligned, precision metal. But for some freaking titanium pipes, bro, 5 to 10K is just ridiculous in my opinion. The market for exhaust pipes is just so stupid. For valved ones specifically. That's weird, bro. I was like spamming the shift. I don't know why I didn't shift. Anyways, bro, dude, something about California, like, fudge. I know I always talk about it, but politics is kind of annoying here, but the weather here is something else, bro. I think where I'll go next if I was to move is definitely gonna be Florida, bro. Florida has, like, especially with trading, like long-term trading, has some pretty good tax. From what I know, it's 0% tax on long-term capital gains, which is OP, bro. Oh yeah. Oh my. Every single street with close walls, bro, is so. You guys gonna have a hard time hearing it, but oh, dude, I forgot to. Oh my gosh, guys, I totally forgot I made the intake video. Dude, I'm filming this video because I thought I didn't have any more videos. Oh my gosh, how did I forget that? So next video is gonna be my intake. I still gotta do some outside clips. That's kind of what I haven't done yet. Come on, baby, pop, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna try to close my exhaust. Try to listen. Yeah, you can hear it. Hold up. Third gear should be able. You can hear like only suck in. From the front, it's like really vivid. I still gotta record that. Oh my, dude, I cannot believe I totally forgot about it. Yeah, you can hear the turbo sucking in from the inside, but from the outside, it's like it's still sucking in. It's not as vivid as like the Supras, but I wonder if I like put like a aluminum pipe on it, like if it would be super vivid. It's freaking amazing. Everyone that's watching, bro, I hope you guys keep grinding, keep pursuing your dreams. Everyone that's watched the video, I hope you guys all get your dream car, man. You know, for me, my dream car is still the M5 Hellcat, but the ultimate, like the unrealistic dream in my book is the SVJ. You know, this is like realistic dreams, But my unrealistic dreams is an SVJ. You know, is it possible? For sure. Right now, is it possible? Not really. I mean, I need to really make some big freaking money moves. So, dude, just keep working hard, keep grinding, keep growing, you know? You can never stop growing, man. And at the end of the day, guys, like I said, bro, like I always keep saying, you never know when your last day is. And so at the end of the day, bro, all these cars are cool, working hard is cool, but it's all gonna go. It's all gonna go one day, man. That's the craziest part. But I'd rather go knowing I tried my best trying to become successful, you know? Just make sure you don't worship money. Make sure you don't worship cars, bro. There's only one God. Make God your only God, bro. Don't idolize anything else. You should totally enjoy it, though. I'm for sure enjoying it. My goal is to put God first, but I'm definitely going to still enjoy my life, and there's nothing wrong with that, you know? Oh my. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.